When we say we don't care what it is, we just throw it on the truck. We mean it. Old mattresses, box springs, don't matter to us. Goes on the truck. Whatever you need gone, we make it disappear. This refrigerator, plumb full of the good stuff, complete with maggots. See it dripping, leaking all over the sidewalk. Yeah, we clean it out. We don't care. It's one of the reasons we don't wear fancy clothes. Most of the stuff we wear is stuff that we found on jobs. Strap it down, boys. On to the next load. Appetizing. This particular job began as just picking up a few items. When we talked to our customer about all the things that were in there, she said, "I didn't know that you guys would take it all." "Of course we will, ma'am. We'll get every single bit of it." And we did. We even picked up all the trash on the floor. Here's Bro Cephas and Sonny D hauling out a busted up, broke down old water heater. And here they are going back for more, down to the same crawl space, pulling up the old furnace. It had been down there for years. You just throw it on the truck. Take it to the landfill and let it fly. Sonny D riding on that old refrigerator. And here he is cleaning it out.
You got this, man. You got this. Is there a lot?
He don't care. It's just what we do.
Hey, Joe, help him out.
Are you gonna throw this in a different dumpster?
I got it. Don't worry about it.
Sure?
Yeah, I got it. Appreciate it.
You got this. Breathe, man.
Get it out your mouth.
Breathe in your mouth and breathe out your nose.
Got something.
All right. Get the freezer.
Oh, crap.
Get on the other side. You shut the door. If the fridge is empty. There you go.
It's empty.
Okay, good.